Are you looking for a free background removing tool? Then in this video, I'm sharing with you remove.bg. This is one of the best web tool that you can use to remove background from your images, and it is instant. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply go ahead and drag an image right here, and you can upload as well. So you can see, you can click the upload button or just drag your image. And as soon as I grab my image, you're going to see right here that it's going to quickly remove the background instantly. No, not only that, it gives you the possibility as well to do a lot with this. So you can go ahead and you can just easily click on the cutout section and you can do a lot more right here. You can also add background to images if you want by choosing from existing background within the tool as well. You have a whole lot here. You have some effects that you can use, you can adjust. You can even go to the design and continue to do quite a lot. And the cool thing is that you can even open your design right into Canva. As you can see the Canva icon turned right here. And that's how easy it is, guys. So not only does it allow you to remove background, but it has a ton of other capabilities that you can do. But if you're satisfied with just removing the image background right here, just simply click and download. And you will see right here that it allows you to download the image right here. Keep in mind that if you want to go ahead and have the maximum quality, you will need to upgrade. But for a quick and easy remove, just simply click the first option here and it's going to quickly do the trick for you. So I'm going to open up the image so that you can see that the background is removed. And that's how easy it is, guys, to instantly remove background from your photos on your computer. Very easy and very simple.